So in this lab, we are studying about the TCP Wireshark Lab. So first we briefly introduce the what is TCP, and further that we execute the lab. So TCP, the understanding the inner working of a crucial protocol, discover the fundamentals of TCP protocols and dive into its interactive working, and uncover its practical uses and explore exciting experiment using by Wireshark. This is our main motive. Okay, so TCP protocols. To learning about the TCP protocols, its purpose, and how it facilitates the reliable and ordered data transmit over a computer network. First, reliable data communication. Explore how TCP ensures the reliable communication by incorporating an acknowledgement and sequencing and transmission mechanism. Second, the connection-oriented protocol. Understand how the TCP establish and terminate the connection and allow for a full duplex communication between hosts. And third, the flow control and transactions avoidance. Discover TCP's techniques for managing the flow of data and preventing network congestion to ensure optimal performance. So, working principle of TCP. So, it have a deep dive if you deep dive into the inner working of a TCP protocol and get insight into its fundamental principles. So, first we have a three-way handshaking, second segmentation and reassembling and sliding window. Okay, so what is the use of TCP? So web browsing, email communication, file transfer, these are the major TCP uses. And the component of TCPs are socket, sequence number, window size, and checksum. Okay, socket, discover the socket abstraction, a crucial mechanism that enables communication between application and underlying TCP/IP network state. Sequence number explore how TCP uses sequence number to ensure ordered and reliable data delivery to the application layer. Okay, window size to understand how the window size parameter influence TCP flow control and congestion avoidance algorithm and optimize the data transmission process. Okay, and last section to learn how TCP employs the checksum to detect transmissions errors and guarantee the integrity of data during network transport. Other experiment with the Wireshark. To enabling it, we have to set up with then packet analyzing and performance optimization. Okay, so conclusion of our this is summarization of importance of TCP in a modern networking and highlighting its role in ensuring the reliable and effective data transmission across the various applications and protocol. Okay, so first is abi- Ubiquitous protocols, ongoing advancement, and future prospects. So now we go to our Wireshark Lab practical on TCP. So now we're starting the Wireshark TCP lab. So first we have to capture a bulk TCP transfer from our computer to a remote server. Okay, for which we have to follow some following steps. So first is start up your browser and go to this website. So I'm go to this website, and here is the website which is giving. And the next is we have to store it in our computer. So just we have to press the control X, and I have saved this to this our computer network folder. Okay, so I am saving it. Next, we have to go to this website. So I'm go to next to this website, and it is looking like that, just similar as it is. Okay, now use the browse button in the form, and we have to upload this and choose our file. So my file is here. So okay, then we have to start our Wireshark packet capturing. So I am starting Wireshark. Okay, so it is capturing, and now we have to upload it. So I have to upload it. Upload. So here, as you can see, it is writing congratulations. You now transferred your copy of allies.txt from your computer to this website. Okay, so now we have to stop the capturing. So I'm just stopping, and now further to look at second is first look at a captured trace. So we have to first we have to do first filter the packets displayed in a Wireshark by entering TCP. So we have to filter the packets by entering TCP, and these are the all TCP packets. Okay, so now we have to give answer to these questions. So what is the IP address and TCP port number using by a client computer, a source that is transferring a file to this website? So it is also giving the hint to answer this question. It is probably easiest to select the HTTP message and explore the detail of TCP packet used to carry these HTTP messages. Okay, for which we go to this protocol section and we have to click it, and now it is giving in order. So here, as you can see, we have our HTTP message at the top, and this is our website. So first, it is giving asking about the IP address. So IP address is this 17.172.20.1 It is our client computer IP address. And for TCP port number, we go to this transmission control protocol section, and the port number is this 53106. Okay, so first question is done, and the second question is what is the IP address of this website? So for this, we go to the response section of this, or okay, so here it is, and the IP address of this website is this 128.119.245.12. Okay, and again he asking about the port number, which is sending and receiving. So here is the port number of 80 and receiving. Both port number are given here in the transmission control protocol section. Okay. Also, we have to in this we have given the TCP segment length, stream index, and sequence number. All the information about the TCP protocol. Okay. So for now the TCP basics questions. So first question is what is the sequence number of TCP CYN segment that is used to initiate the TCP connection between the computer and laptop. So first we have to find the first thing. So here it is. Okay, so I'm just clicking on it, and there is they're saying to find a sequence number. So we go to the TCP section and open it, and here is the sequence number of this here. Okay, and next question is what is in this question inside what is it is the in the segment that identify the segment as a CYN segment. So for this, just scroll down, and here as you can see the flag. Just open the flags, and as you can see here, SYN is set for 1. So this indicates that this segment is SYN segment. Okay. So next question is what is the sequence number of SYN and ACK acknowledgement and SYN. So for this, now I'm go to this SYN ACK. So for this, I'm go to this, and the sequence number of this is here. Okay, this is the sequence number of this, and what is the acknowledgement field value? Here is the acknowledgement field value of this 790546135. Okay, and how the this website determine their value? So the app value, the addition of synchronization of SYN of previous and ACK is the value of next. The acknowledgement number plus the sequence number is the sequence number of next act. So here it is. Okay, they determine, and what is it in the segment that indicate the segment is as Senex. For this, also we have to go to the flags, and here you can see the acknowledgement is set 1 and SYN is set 1. So it is determined that This segment is SY and ACK. Okay, so for next question is what is the sequence number of TCP segment containing HTTP post command? So here, as you can see, this is the post. So I'm just clicking it. By each, you have to see on a data segment that here is the this is the post HTTP post command. So he's asking about the sequence number of this. So the sequence number of this is here. It is 74755711 8. Okay. So the next question is considering the TCP segment containing the HTTP post as the first segment. Okay, what are the sequence number of next six segment in a TCP connection, including the segment containing HTTP post? At what time each segment and the further information. So for which, okay, so as you can see here, and sequence number. So first we have the HTTP first. Here is it is, and the next is sequence number of this. The next is this. The next is this, this, and this. Sorry, this. Okay. So the next question is what is the length of each segment? So first we go to the for our post. Okay, here as you can see here is post and this length of this TCP data is that. Okay, 565 byte. Oh, the next is this data have a 1460. And next is also 1460. As you can see here, it is also writing there the length of this. So this question is also done. So yeah, it is the TCP lab, and bye bye.